11 helpful tips for an easier relocation. Are you considering moving or getting ready to move to a new city or state? More people are relocating in recent years than ever before. Major relocations are never easy and can be overwhelming with all the logistics on your to-do list. In this video, I'm going to share 11 helpful tips to make your relocation easier, from getting your home ready to sell to what to do when you get to your new location. So let's get started. Number 1, find out if your company has a relocation package. If you are moving because you have received a new job, the first thing you need to do is find out if your company has a relocation package they can offer you. That's important, and they should be paying. Many companies have relocation packages that provide reimbursement for moving expenses, such as renting a moving truck or hiring a moving company to pack your items, or even for a hotel stay or home rentals while you're in transition between selling your home and moving into a new one. So make sure you ask. Taking advantage of a relocation package could save you thousands of dollars and will help make your move easier. Hiring contracts to get your home ready to sell. That's number 2. Getting your home ready to sell is a huge job that requires a lot of time and effort, but you don't have to tackle each task on your own. If you can, I suggest hiring a professional to help check off your to-do list. For instance, you can hire contractors to make home improvements or repairs, which will greatly increase your home selling potential. Painting your home is one of the most cost-effective improvements you can make because it's a less expensive way to beautify and sell your home. People that want to buy a home, they don't want to come in and paint, so paint your house, paint the inside. Hiring a professional painter will ensure your home's walls look the best. Also, curb appeal is important because it helps sell homes, so hire a landscaper, put some flowers out on the porch. All these things will make a big first impression on a potential buyer, and they'll want to pay more for your house. So finally, packing is an incredibly time-consuming thing. So why not hire a moving company that helps you pack your items? Load them into a truck and drive them to your new destination. Work with a seller agent. Working with a real estate agent to sell your home is a must. You really get more value by using an agent. And I'm not saying that because I am one. And I would love to help you sell your home. Real estate agents know the market better than anyone because that's what we do every day. That's why we're professionals. And we can provide an accurate market analysis. They can also determine a fair listing price for your home, one that attracts buyers, not scares them away. Also, your agent will make recommendations on how to increase your property's value. We'll advise you on what to do to get your home ready and open for showing. We'll show you your home to potential buyers, and we'll market your home and ensure that it reaches the largest pool of potential buyers. An agent can also make sure you sell your home faster and will be your personal assistant throughout the selling process. Really, we're a guide. It would be my pleasure to assist you every step of the way. So give me a call and I'll answer your questions. Number 4, learn about your new location in advance. Before putting your house on the market, learn about the new area you're moving to and see if the homes there will suit your needs and are available for sale. And if the homes are in your price range, it helps to research home prices in your future location so that you know how much money you'll need to put down as a down payment or what kind of loan you're going to need. Financing, conventional loan, there's different types. The proceeds from selling your home may not cover the cost of buying a new one, so you need to find that out in advance, and your research will help you do that. So check out the cost of living in that area. The cost of living can vary greatly from city to city, state to state. So this is just another way to be prepared before moving. Number 5, organize and pack your belongings best to get it started early. by sorting and organizing your belongings. If you don't want to do it yourself, I know someone who can help you. Decide what you want to take with you and what you want to donate, sell, or throw away. Consider decluttering and get rid of unnecessary items to save space and money on your move. If you're not hiring a moving company and you'll be packing and packaging, labeling your belongings, make sure everything arrives at your new home safely. It helps to label each box with the room it belongs to and a brief description of what's in the box. Number 6, notify important entities and transfer or cancel services. Notifying important entities like your electric company, your cable company, of your move, like your employer knows, but the post office, your bank, credit card companies, insurance companies, lenders, and again, utility providers, make sure to provide them with your new address and contact information, unless of course you're canceling. Also, you may need to transfer or cancel services such as utilities, cable, internet, and gym memberships. But sometimes transferring works. It depends how far you're going. Make sure to transfer any services well in advance of your move to avoid any interruption in your service. Number 7, make sure you have a place to stay while you are in transition. If you need to relocate for work, before you can sell your home or buy a new home, you'll need to find a place to stay. In the meantime, as the market adjusts to higher interest rates, housing inventory has been relatively low, really low, seller's market. So finding a home right away may be challenging. Consider renting a home in your new area from month to month or a short-term lease. This could save you money, but it also gives you an opportunity to learn about different neighborhoods and different places that you might want to live once you have that kind of short-term housing. And if you can't find a rental home, try an Airbnb. I think those work well. I know that it can cost more money, but if you have a package from your employer, explain the situation. A lot of times they'll help out with housing. Number 8, coordinate transportation. You will need to coordinate the transportation of your move and plan it yourself, your family, and your pets. If you're driving, you can route and make sure to book hotels in advance if you need to stay overnight. Number 9, arrange for storage. If you're not able to move everything with you when you relocate, or if you need to store items temporarily, you'll need to arrange for storage in your new location. There are many storage warehouses. There's pods. They're just popping up everywhere. So you may want to consider the location of your storage as well as the cost. If you hire a moving company, you may need to provide them with the storage unit location and the key or code to enter the storage unit so they can move items in there without you being there. Number 10, connect with the buyer agent. Finding a buyer's agent who is familiar with your new city or town can help make the home buying process so much easier. They will not only find and suggest new home options based on what you're looking for, but they will take care of the entire home buying process. They'll also help you with lenders. Remember that. Home buyers know everybody. I specialize in relocation, so I know how to make sure you find and buy a new home with more convenience and less stress, which moving's already stressful, right? Number 11, get familiar with your new location. Research your new location and all the local amenities and services. If you have children, you'll need to research where you want them to go to school. Once you decide on a school, then you have to look at houses in that area. Drive around. A really good way to check out neighborhoods is yard sales, and everybody talks, and you get to learn about the area. Consider looking at book groups or the gyms, when you're jogging along on the track. Meeting new people and getting involved in the community can help you figure out which community you want to live in. So whether you're planning to move in your area or somewhere else, I would love to help you with your relocation, making it as smooth as possible.